We are going to make this hat together. This is a single layer beanie hat, which is great for beginners. So make sure your machine is set to tube mode. So the first thing we're going to do is cast on. And then for our next needle, we're going to go over the outside of the needle or on the back side. Then on our next needle, it's going to go under, catching the needle, then over, under, under. And we're going to do this one time around, all the way around. Now we're going to crank our first row. So put it down into the yarn holder. It needs to go from all the way into the front, all the way through the back of the yarn holder. Next, we want to put our yarn in the yarn tension bar. I more use it as a guide for the yarn to feed it up and in through the machine. So now to crank our first row, I use my right hand to crank forward and my left hand is holding on to the
For this hat, I'm going to crank out 80 rows.
So to cast off, I like to use a large eye plastic needle. So as you can see, the needle drops as I crank it forward. These two tiny pegs that this loop of yarn is hooked around, that's our stitch, and that's what we want to pick up with our needle and then put it on the tail end of our yarn. But we can go through and pick all these up and you'll go all the way around until it's completely off of your machine. And now every single one is removed from the machine. So now we're going to take our tube and we are going to cinch down the top of our tube. And this is just by taking the tail end of our yarn and we pull it tight to cinch it down like a drawstring. Now we're going to take that large eye plastic needle again, put it on your needle, and then we're going to feed it down through the center of our hat. What I like to do is first make a little knot just by picking up a stitch just to secure it into place. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew back and forth a few times to make sure the whole of the top of our hat stays closed. So now I've sewed it back and forth a few times to make sure it's really secure, and now I'm going to do a few knots. So I'm going to put it back right side out or knit side out, and we're just going to roll up the brim, and it kind of does it by itself, and find the tail end of our working yarn, stretch it out because we don't want to cinch it tightly. I'm going to pick up a couple of stitches at the bottom. We're going to loop it through, and I have my loop still, and now go through the loop we just made and then close it down to make our knot. And I'm going to knot this a few times, and then you can kind of weave in your end here. And so we roll up the brim a little bit, and there's how it looks.